We have found a secret method to earn money every day while doing no work at all. You can earn up to $500 every single day. Do you know what it is? Then watch this video. $500 in a day is a dream for other people. Imagine what you can do with $500 each day. You can travel around the world, help your family with financial needs, buy stuff that you want, and many more. No more boring and stressful jobs. All you need to do is follow these simple steps, and you can have a passive income. You do not need any experiences or technical expertise, and you do not need to work hard. This method is 100% free, meaning you do not need an investment to make a start. It is available worldwide, meaning anyone from anywhere can make money by doing this method. And most of all, this method is hands-free. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process on how you can set up your passive income and maybe even double or triple it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we are going to show you today is Sellix.com. Sellix provides different tools for Amazon sellers to help with their sales. Those tools include advertising tools to help advertise and grow their business, AI optimization tools, cutting-edge AI-based algorithm for Amazon advertising optimization, taking into account a combination of keyword clustering, revenue and sales forecasting, considering seasonality and other factors. Profit tools, your Amazon profits all in one. It includes a complex set of inputs covering unit sales, revenue, COGS, VAT, taxes, fees, and refunds. It will help the seller calculate their true profit. Search engine optimization tools. This tool helps the seller maintain and optimize their product listings. And lastly, review management tools. This tool helps the seller view products and customer service reviews in one easy dashboard. If you scroll down below, you can read more information about their website and what they have to offer. If you scroll down to this section, you can see that they have featured big brands such as Adweek, CNBC, Forbes, Financial Times, and HuffPost. However, the purpose of this video is not to avail of their services, but to become an affiliate. If you scroll down at the bottom of the page, at the About Us section, you can see an option Affiliates. All we have to do is just click this, and it will redirect us to this page. Partner up with Sellix and get paid for giving your audience the tools and insights they need to succeed on Amazon. Benefits of becoming a Sellix affiliate are unlimited earning. You can earn up to $2,000 per week, no limits. Commission for every free report. Special deals. Get personalized codes and deals and share it to others. Get paid immediately. Your payout will be processed immediately after it is reviewed in US dollars to your PayPal account. The question now is, how much can you earn for each commission? If you look at their terms and conditions, affiliates earn 15% commission of the Sellix price of their product. If you gain more than 10 commissions, affiliates can be classified as Tier 2 partners and shall receive 25% commission for the 11th conversion onwards. So, if you invite more people to use their services, then you will earn a lot of money. If you click on the pricing tab on their main page, you can see the different products and services that they offer. Imagine if you refer a person and they choose the $259 service, then 15% of that goes to you, which will be $39. So for one referral, you already have almost $40. And if 5 people avail of the service using your referral link, then you will have $195 in your bank account in just one day. So the more people that avail of the service using your link, the more money you will earn. So the next question is, how do you refer people to Sellix products and services? This next step will show you how you can do it. You do not need any experience, you do not need to talk to anyone, and you do not need to create a website. All you need is one very easy way to do this. Watch this video till the end to find out. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Before you can refer people to Sellics products and services, you first have to create an account. To create an account, you just need to go to the affiliates link on the About Us section and click on Apply Now. You just need to put your first name, last name, company name, phone number, email address, and the country that you are living in, and website or social media account. For the website or social media account, you can put your Facebook profile link. After that, you can now sign up for a free account. Easy, right? Now, the next website that we will be using is bitly.com. Bitly is a website that can shorten long links to make it presentable. You can now go here and shorten your affiliate link. This makes your link more presentable to people and has a higher chance to be clicked, so you can earn more money. Once you are done shortening your affiliate link, you can then copy it and share it to people. Now, the next thing that we will do is to go to facebook.com. Almost everyone has a Facebook account, and if you still don't have one, you can just easily sign up for a free Facebook account. Now, after you log into your Facebook account, you can then go to the search bar and search for Amazon Seller. You can then filter it to your groups only, and you will see all the groups of Amazon sellers on one page. You just have to pick one or two groups, join them, and you can share your affiliate link with them. Some groups will require you to answer specific questions before you can join them. This just to ensure that you are not a robot. After you answer the question, you can now access the group. The tip here is to join as many groups as you can each day. More groups to join means more people to interact with, and your link will have a higher chance to be clicked. If more people will click your affiliate link, then more opportunities for you to earn lots and lots of money. Once someone clicks your affiliate link, they will be redirected to this page where they can request a demo of the services before they pay for it. They can simply sign up for a free account and try the product. This is to let them use the products and services to know more about them, what it is, and how it works. It will also make them understand how it will help them grow their businesses. Once they like the product, then they will choose what plan they want to avail and then buy it. Please note that not all people who will click your affiliate link will buy the product. Only 20 to 30% of them will, and that is okay. You can still earn money even if 2 or 3 people buy the product and services each day. In sharing your affiliate link, you should not just copy and paste it on a Facebook group and share it. You need to add a little pizzazz to it. You can write a short description about the product or service that you wish to promote, add some easy simple steps on how to get started, and add your affiliate link at the bottom. This is to make sure that people will understand what you are trying to promote, and your affiliate link will have a higher chance to be clicked by people. Now, this is a very simple method on how you can earn money without actually doing any work. This method is 100% free and can be done by anyone. What are you waiting for? You can start right now. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.